Hey Explorers, this is Robert.
And I'm Jessica.
With Exploring the Local Life, and today we're going to give you a tour of
the Jayco Redhawk 29XK Class C for 2019.
The Jayco 29XK is 32 feet overall in length.
It has, of course, a freshwater tank, and the capacity of that is 43 gallons. The gray tank is 41 gallons, and the black tank is 32 gallons. This is very important information if you ever decide to go dry camping or just not have a sewer connection.
Additionally, it has an 8 cubic foot refrigerator. It is a 30 amp unit, which pretty much gets you into most RV parks without too much of a problem. And it has a Ford V10 engine, the Triton V10.
Hey everyone, we're at the 2019 RV Super Show in Tampa, Florida. We're sitting in a little Jayco Class C right now, and it looks pretty nice. You know, they must have heard that people don't want brown everywhere, but certainly we do have quite a bit of beige and a little bit of brown. As the camera goes.
Wow, that's a big window. You definitely have to keep that closed if you're in a normal campground.
Oh yeah.
Nice, nice, master.
The bed is
Tied down. You can't lift it up for storage.
I don't think so. It looks like it's bolted down.
Oh,
don't
look,
want
they
that
thought
going
about
anywhere.
putting a headboard there. That way you're not hitting your head against
Indeed.
a hard wall.
bracket
Television.
location.
Little tiny TV space. And the kitchen.
Hello. Oops. You're good.
Do you want to...
You gotta look at the fridge.
We're going to look at the fridge. Sorry.
They all come in 8 or 12 cubic foot, or if you get the real big units, we're going to be about 21.
Yeah, we have a travel trailer and we have the little...
Yeah, little
Yeah,
fridge.
they're
Oh, we make it happen.
8 or 12.
This is a pretty big...
Not going to be in the
Like the
Kitchen.
sleeping area. The secondary sleeping area. Nice and big.
It is nice and big. This would be Daniel's bed. And then, of course, my office.
Alright. It's quite roomy in here.
Just a little bit.
As the camera shifts.
I know. It's impressive. You could fit, like, kayaks back there. Paddle boards. Kids.
Really, really, really nice.
Looks good. I wonder what these, like, what would you put these little ones?
Anything you can?
Anything?
Yeah.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching.
Make sure to leave a comment below and hit the like button.
Subscribe
And we will see you next time.
and hit the bell.
Oh yeah, that's right. Bong. Like Taco Bell-ish, but not really.
TM.
TM. Bye.